Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. It's sunny today. Ooh, it seems like ages. It's rain. Yes, today it's cheese scones, and I've got to say I've actually never made cheese scones. I've ate them and they're delicious, so I'm really looking forward to this. Yeah, come and have a look at the ingredients. So I've got 225 grams of self-raising flour, 50 grams of margarine, 150 ml of milk, some mustard, salt. The ingredients will float up here, and cheese. How many grams is that? 80 grams of cheese, cheddar cheese. Yeah, so this is going to be really, hopefully, really easy, and I'm going to crack on and get started. So I'm just going to throw the flour into a bigger bowl. This one's a little bit small just for presentation. And add the margarine. I use really cheap margarine, but you could go for it and use actual butter, but it really helps with the cost. Yeah, and I'm going to rub these together to make kind of breadcrumbs. So let's get started. I'm just going to clean my hands. So I'm just going to add the mustard powder, that's the one, mustard powder, and salt. I'm just mixing it with this because it's less noisy when against the the bowl. A little bit gentler on the sound, audio. Mixing it in thoroughly. Right, now the cheese. I love this bowl, beautiful blue, sort of a greeny blue inside. All from charity shops. My old china. Right, just going to make a little well inside and then add the milk. It's just semi-skimmed milk. Right, I will start mixing with this and then take over with my hand. So I'm obviously going to form a dough, hopefully. I am following a recipe I found online, so it feels a little bit wet, so I'm going to add a bit of flour because I need to roll it out and cut out the scone shapes. So I'm just going to get some flour. I'm just going to flour the surface a little bit. I'm just going to clean my hands, and then we're going to roll out the scone shapes and get them in the Ninja. Right, so we've made 10. The end one, you know. Yeah, let's get these in the Ninja. I'm going to actually brush them with milk once they're in situ, as it were. But I'm really looking forward to these. Yes, next stage, get them in the Ninja. Right, so let's get these in. I'm not sure how many I can fit in, but we'll see. Oh, five in each. That would be pretty good. Oh, you'll see I've lined them. That's just, I don't want any more sticking situations. So yeah, let's, it's a little bit hard to do this one-handed, but I will persevere. Right, get that one in. Nice. So plugged in, away from, I always move my Ninja away from the socket. Yeah, match, bake, 190. Just following someone else's guidelines, 6 to 9 minutes, but check. So we'll do 6 minutes first, and we will check. The Fahrenheit will come up here. Okay, let's go. See you in a bit. So the first 6 minutes is nearly up, but before it goes to cool, I want to interrupt it to see if I need to flip them, or just to generally check. Ooh, nice. What do you reckon? Let's have a look on the underside. I'm pretty sure I need to flip them. I mean, you just do, don't you? This is quite hot, so I'm going to get this out. Oh, they smell gorgeous. Not as, I thought they would have got a bit higher, like height-wise, but I don't know. Maybe I did them too thin. The was about a centimetre, I don't know. Right, in they go. Back in. Oh no, I want to add 2 minutes. See you in a bit. Right, before it hits 0, I'm going to interrupt it just in case I need to add. Yeah, definitely need to add a couple of minutes. It just stops it from going to cool function. Hey, see you in a bit. So it's on the cool. Ooh. I kind of think I should add some minutes. Add a minute or 2. Still, even though it's. I sort of thought 4 minutes would do it, but maybe 2 more. I mean, they're definitely getting there. I've just got to wait for the cool function. Yay. Right, let's just quickly do that again. Match, bake, 190, and we're really just 2 minutes. And that will be it, I'm pretty sure. It's on the cool function. Let's have a look. Ooh. Oh, they look really lovely. But let's get them out. Open that. Oh yes. I'm going to just see if my plate grabber thingy works. It should do. Oh. brilliant. Right, I'm going to let them cool down before I come back for a taste test. Looking forward to that. Right, I've transferred them to a plate, but before I get into a taste test, let's have a closer look. Oh, well, they look fantastic. I'm really pleased. Maybe they could have been a bit higher. I don't know. You know, rate just got a bit bigger. That's what I kind of expected. But I'm not complaining because I can't wait to taste. Hold on. Oh. Oh, cheesy, warm, melted, well, marge in this case, but butter if you fancied, with a delicious, you know, that kind of nice outer texture, cheese scone. Oh, and the ninja did them proud. They're lovely. I mean, I do like them. I've had them before. I've never made them myself, so I'm very pleased. What would you have on top of them? Sweet or savoury? I'm not sure. Oh, that is delicious. Well, thank you everybody for watching, and thank you for all your helpful comments with my last vlog with the cheese and ham toasty. Lots of top tips, all noted, and we're going to try them again tomorrow with your top tips. Thank you so much. This is delicious. Bye everybody, take care, have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.